let's plan our route. First, we go south. Quick jaunts to the east, and then this house, skip the subdivision for the moment, knock off the entire southeast quadrant of the town, and then we finish it all up on Whistling Who Lane. That's 223 houses and only 7 hours of darkness to work with. That means we have to be fast and focused. And believe you me, there will be temptation all around us. Behold, the present. This is our enemy. You will want to unwrap it and play with it. But you must... If you can get past the present, the only obstacle left is... the cookie. Look at it in all its red, sugary splendor. No. Look at yourselves. Discipline. We must... resist.
Are you ready? Almost. Good. Think jolly and sad.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, quick, everybody hide. 3, 2, 1. Cue Santa. That means you, grouper.
Oh, look at this pretty house. I will leave presents for the people.
Come on, it's not the school play, dude.
Then why do I have to wear the outfit?
Rupert, focus. Just get the cookie.
But I can see the string.
Stop worrying. It'll be dark at night.
But if he has a flashlight?
Have you ever seen a picture of Santa with a flashlight?
No, but I just...
Rupert, just pick up the cookie.
What do we have here? A delicious little cookie.